Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add students to your groups on the Additio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on Evaluation and Groups and select one of your groups. Tap on the plus icon in the left side column. Type in the name of your student, last name and first name, indicate the subgroup. Type it in, then type in his or her identification number, address, phone number, email and birthday. You can also add these, you can add comments to this person and tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see in the first column that there is the name of your student that you have added. So you can add as many as you want to by repeating the same steps. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.